Let's make this Indian dessert known as Gajar ka Halwa. Start with 650 gram of carrots. For this dessert, the quality of carrots matters a lot, and usually red carrots are used for making this recipe. But those quality of carrots are not easily available in North America, so I have used baby carrots here. Baby carrots are usually sweet and they taste better when compared to other varieties. Use a grater for all of your carrots. This step may take a while. So once all of your carrots are done, crush 2 cardamom and make a powder from these. You don't have to remove the outer shell from the green cardamom. Next, I will use 10 to 15 cashews and 10 to 15 almonds. You can also include raisins, which taste really good, but I personally don't like it, so I am not adding those here. You can actually use mortar to crush this dry fruit, but I am slicing this into smaller pieces. Once this dry fruit is ready, let's start the cooking. Start with 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. It's very important to use the desi ghee in this recipe as it tastes best in this dessert. Once your ghee is hot, add your carrots. For a great flavor, you have to roast your carrots really well. Add your crushed cardamom at this stage. Also add the sugar. I am starting with 3.5 tablespoons of sugar here, but you can adjust this sugar later in the video. You can also replace this sugar with the jaggery, but guys, jaggery tastes a bit different, so be sure about that. Now you have to roast your carrots really well and keep doing this process until your carrots start releasing great aroma. This step may take somewhere around 10 minutes. Take 2 cups of high fat milk here. Add few petals of saffron in this milk. Now add this milk in your carrots. Now you have to mix all of this really well and keep doing this until your milk is fully reduced and your carrots get extremely soft. This is the most important and most tiring step in this recipe, as this may take somewhere around 20 to 25 minutes. You have to keep moving your spoon and be sure your milk or carrots are not sticking to the bottom of your pan. You just have to keep mixing with patience. So after around 15 to 20 minutes, you can see the milk is reduced a lot. So it's the best time to check the flavor. First, check if your carrots are fully cooked. The carrots should melt in your mouth. Secondly, check the sugar level in this recipe. My carrots are still hard, so I am adding 100 more ml of milk here. For the sweetness, I am adding 1 more tablespoons of sugar here. You can adjust this sugar as per your taste. Now start moving your spoon once again. So after about 7 to 10 more minutes of cooking, my halwa is almost ready. Now add your dry fruits. And that's all guys. Enjoy this amazing dessert and let me know how it was. You can check out other Indian recipes on my channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.